Good morning. So, first final vlog after 5 days of being here.
Overtake.
We've not done much. Standard, but we finally made it out and we're going to Waterfall today. So, it's very fucking hot at the moment though. We've got to the Waterfall. We thought bigger. Is there?
But obviously there's no water coming off of it, so I don't know if there's really anything we're seeing.
We can try. I mean, that water's got to go somewhere. Because
clearly it isn't. You see how it's cooling and just somehow disappearing.
This is what we've come to. The photos looked like it was much deeper. I mean, as you can see from like there, I'm assuming that when it rains it's obviously deeper. Should we try and walk down?
What, that down?
Yeah.
I was very disappointed when I first got here.
This is what we've come down to now, and this looks so much better. Like, if it was the one from before, it would have been heavily disappointed. This is much nicer than the wakeboarding park. It's like actually very nice and cold. It's pretty gorgeous as well.
There it is.
It's pretty fucking cold.
Not so bad. Actually pretty cold.
Yeah.
Take some photos of me.
This is so nice. This is refreshing as fuck. You wouldn't think that the water was coming off that.
That was really coming from the pool that we saw.
That, yeah. Yeah.
Clearly this is coming somewhere we can't see.
Much better. The fish keep attacking on my feet. If I stand still for too long, they just like grip on and bite my feet. I'm just letting out. Dylan's just sat chilling on the rock. This is actually so just refreshing. I wanted to try and get like up close, but it's not working. And the spray is just destroying the camera. Now we're just walking to some big Buddha temple. I think the guy's in it's called. Look at this. And a viewpoint on the way back. And 90-minute drive back to the hostel. So we just had some food. It was mediocre. We paid like $4 for three sausages and some rice.
More fucking stairs.
Doesn't look like there's too many stairs. Stairs are going to be the death of us today.
Huh?
I said the stairs are going to be the death of us today. I'm dripping. So is that like basically carved like Buddha?
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool.
That's quite cool.
Fortunately, that guy on the bottom, I was like, I'm taller than that statue. Don't you dare ever call him Big Buddha again. Please don't write on the Buddha.
And there's people writing on it. final stop of the trip. We stopped at some viewpoint, so just waiting on Dylan getting out, and then it's somewhere through these trees down here. I think I can see a viewpoint. I have no idea though, but just finally cooled down. I'm like dripping. It's fine, there's like a bridge.
Yes.
It's pretty sturdy. Yeah, this is pretty amazing and worth it. Now I can see.
Yeah, solid footed, please, for the love of God.
So yeah, we've stopped here and we're just going to drive back to the hostel after this. So we're going to chill for a couple of minutes and then enjoy the view. So yeah, gonna end the vlog there because I think we're just going to chill out the rest of the day, and then tomorrow we're travelling again. So yeah, in a bit.